Check out this Magic Sponge Eraser. This thing is fantastic. This cleans so many things, but it really cleans is it like ink and crayons off of a table. I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. First thing you do is wet it with a little bit of water, just like you see here. Just squish it out, that's all you're gonna do, just like that. And then we have a table here. This is permanent marker on this table. I'm gonna show you with this eraser how it just takes it right off. Look at this, just like magic. Check this out. It's coming off perfectly. You can see it right there on the sponge. Absolutely works awesome. I absolutely love this. I use this for everything. Use it in your kitchen, your bathroom. It takes everything. Fantastic. And there it is, just like that. And now the table looks brand new. And just perfect. Look at that. This thing is awesome. I definitely highly recommend this sponge. Fantastic. Love it.